Today I am working on Francis's Franny DC5, as you guys know him, Celica. He got a Celica now, and we're installing a Rockville 12-inch 1200 watt subwoofer. So basically it already has a built-in preamp, and it's a 12-inch sub with a grill on it. I believe he got it for $120 on eBay. I'll send a link in the description down below. But it came with his 8-gauge wiring kit, high input, extra fuse, and so pretty much it came with the whole wiring. It came with RCA cable, power wire, and remote wire. It has a remote as well, but we kept that up front somewhere over there. Then we got zip ties, little crimps to use right here. The electrical cover, I forgot what these are called. My head just went totally blank. Here's the fuse, then the remote cover. But yeah, so we're gonna install this real quick since I've done so many of these car installs already. And if you guys have been following, sorry I haven't been posting. It's just because my car actually has been down. My distributor's probably messed up. My ECU got burnt. My alternator belt broke and snapped a couple of days ago. And then my ECU went bad. Don't know what happened with that. My check engine light was solid. Then when I jumped the wire for the service connection, it was still solid. Nothing was popping up again, and I just couldn't start it. Then I got a new ECU and tried to crank the car, and it just wouldn't start again. I noticed my RPM signal isn't going up, and from what I heard, the JDM engine has a crank positioning sensor or cam positioning sensor stuck in the distributor. So I'm gonna have to try to replace the distributor and see if that works and fix the problem, because my car's been down honestly for almost a week. That's why I haven't been posting for a week. So sorry about that, guys, but just stay tuned. I'm still getting this work together, but for now I'm doing sub installs, so let's get straight to that. Okay guys, so if you guys are new to installing wiring, here's one for 2003 Celica. So basically what you want to do is just lift up this panel right here. There's two tabs, one right here. Well, not really a tab, it's like a little panel holder. So one right here, and on the other side, you pop that off, and then you got this loose. So what I did was put the seat down, ran the wire underneath it, so it goes straight under here. And now I fished it all the way through to go through here. Then once you got it going under the seat, you could just pull the rest of the wires through. Right now I'm not tucking the wire in, so I could just leave some slack in the back to tie up and everything and keep the wiring look nice and neat, instead of having a bunch of wires batched up inside under the dash. Okay guys, so I'm underneath the dash right now, and as you can see, the 3 holes that are exposed right now, I did not do that, previous owner did. That is where I'm going to fish the power wire through. I'm going to fish it through one of those holes right there, if you could see it. Okay, so the wiring is it's in a very tight spot. It's right underneath the windshield wiper cowl, and it's right back there behind the strut. So I'm going to have to probably pull this up and get to it. I got the power wire fished through. Now we're going to hook up the remote and RCA cable. What you want to do is pull up this first, and then put the car in neutral so you could get the whole thing out. After you remove your ashtray, you got the whole thing popped up. So put the car in neutral, and then make sure your e-brake's up. And what you want to do is just pop this off and put this off to the side, or leave it off to the side. Then you got the screws right here, 1, 2, and that's right there. Then you got another one right underneath the air conditioning knobs. You got 1, 2 right there, and that's where you're going to want to remove. Also remove this right here. So there you go. Now you got everything removed. You just have to remove these 2 screws and pop that off. Okay, so once you got the 2 screws inside of the knob and the 2 on the bottom, all you want to do now is pop this off. Basically just pull on it a little and it should come right off. Just be a little careful, because you do not want to break these plastic things. Wait a second. Oh, want to record real quick? See that? So just You should have a panel remover, but I only got a flathead. I lost my plastic panel remover. So just pop this off to the side real quick. Alright. Once you get that started, okay. Alright, so once that whole panel's off, move this off to the side as well. Now you can put the shift knob back into park, turn the engine off, so this is off. And then now we just have to take this apart, and then we'll run this wire straight through onto here. Okay, so I got the wires connected. So pretty much what I did was connect the remote wire to the blue antenna wire right here, because Toyota doesn't have an antenna power wire right here connected, so I had to wire it straight from the sound system. Basically got all the wires connected. So now all I'm gonna do is put this back real quick. Alright guys, sorry, it just got done putting everything back. Sub is installed. It is a 12-inch Rockville 1200 watt amp and sub combo, but right now the sub is off, and let me turn it up now. So no sub right now. Now turning it up. Don't know if you guys could hear the difference. So let's go into the back, check it out real quick.
What we do here is go back.
What's up guys, so if you like the sub install, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. And don't forget to check out the Xillerated website down below for a slap to put on to your car. Don't forget to do what you love and stay excited. Peace out, catch you guys in the next video.